Everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of joining server on Shazam. You will click on settings. In this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list, you will search about Shazam and you will click here in this page. Then we click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter the storage. Then we click on clear cache. After that, you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.